Good morning and welcome in the e-learning classes of St. Michael's Academy, Bethia. Students, myself Dr. Jainendra, and we have the topic Law of Diminishing Marginal Utility of Class 11 Microeconomics. Students, it is the fundamental law of the consumer sector of the economics. It was first propounded by the H.H. Goshen, that's why it is also called the first law of Goshen. Marshall modified this law and used in the consumer behavior. According to this law, as a consumer consumes the additional units of a commodity, the marginal utility derived from the each successive unit or each additional unit must goes on decline. Ultimately, mu becomes 0. Nevertheless, consumers is continuing the consumption of the commodity, it becomes negative and give the disutility to the consumer. It is also called the first law of Goshen. It is applied on the consumption of all the goods and services. We can show it with the help of an example. Suppose a consumer is consuming units of bread to satisfy his hunger. We see that the marginal utility derived from the each succeeding bread or each additional bread goes on decline. Here we take the example and a schedule. Here we see that as a consumer consumes units of bread, successive units of bread, the marginal utility derived from the each successive unit goes on decline. From the first bread, marginal utility of the consumer is 6 utils, mu in utils. We measure utility in utils. 6 utils. From the second bread, it declined, and marginal utility of the second bread is 4 utils. From third, 2 utils, and from 4, 0 utils. 0 utils, it shows the satisfaction of the consumer. It shows the complete satisfaction of the consumer. The 0 utility shows the complete satisfaction of the consumer. It means consumer is finally fully satisfied. At this situation, total utility is maximum. After it, consumer starts consuming. If he consume 5th unit, he will get negative marginal utility. Negative 2 units here, and the total utility will decline. Here we see that when the marginal utility is positive, total utility is increasing. When marginal utility is 0, total utility is maximum. But when mu becomes negative, total utility starts declining. So, a rational consumer will consume the units of goods and services till mu is 0. It is also called point of saturation. It is also called point of saturation. We can also explain it with the help of an graph. At this basis of schedule, we can show it with the help of a graph. It is the marginal utility curve, which is downward sloping. It shows the from the 6 units consumer gets from the first units of rate it is the 6 unit. From the second unit it is the 4 utils. From the third unit of rate mu is the 2 util. From 4th it is 0 and from 5th it becomes negative. That is the mu becomes negative here and give the -2. Here it is the positive utility. It is the point of 0 utility. And these are the negative utility. These are the negative utility. That is, this law shows that as a consumer consume additional units of a commodity, mu goes on decline. Perhaps other things remaining the constant. Other things remaining constant indicates about the assumption of this law. So watch the next video to continue it.